Phoebes. Look at little toys.
There's Delaney and Lillian.
What do you think, Precious? I got my sockies on. I got my sockies on. What's in there, Delaney? Is that flowers for Mommy? Let me see. Or is this for Lily? What's it say? Pretty pink flower. Did you smell? Yes, pretty pink. Look how pretty. You look all tan. Oh my goodness. Was she right from the parking lot? Yeah. I can't get the pretty pink flower out, but we're here. Yeah. Alright, you can. Wanna come close? Say hi, Lily. Hi, Lily.
It's your sister.
Oh, her face looks good. How you doing, Princess? Did you have a good time?